Number 5. The DJI Mini 5 Pro represents the next evolution of compact aerial photography, combining professional-grade imaging capabilities with an ultra-portable design that makes it ideal for travelers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts alike. Built to deliver exceptional performance without sacrificing convenience, this lightweight drone features a highly advanced camera system capable of capturing stunning high-resolution photos and cinematic video with remarkable clarity, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. Its upgraded image sensor performs exceptionally well in both bright daylight and challenging low-light environments, allowing creators to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. The drone's intelligent flight system incorporates advanced obstacle sensing and avoidance technology, providing greater confidence when navigating complex environments while enhancing overall flight safety. Extended battery life allows for longer flight sessions, enabling users to spend more time capturing footage and less time worrying about recharging. The Mini 5 Pro also benefits from enhanced transmission technology, delivering a stable, long-range connection and smooth live video feed even at significant distances. Intelligent shooting modes simplify the creation of dramatic aerial sequences, including automated tracking, orbiting, waypoint navigation, and cinematic flight paths that previously required advanced piloting skills. Number 4. The Potensic Atom 2 is a compact and highly capable drone designed to bring professional-level aerial photography and intelligent flight features to a lightweight and travel-friendly platform. Engineered for creators, travelers, and hobbyists who want impressive performance without the bulk of larger drones, this drone combines portability with advanced imaging technology to deliver stunning results from the sky. Its high-resolution camera captures sharp photographs and smooth, detailed video with vibrant colors and excellent clarity, making it ideal for recording landscapes, cityscapes, outdoor adventures, and personal projects. Equipped with a sophisticated stabilization system, the Atom 2 maintains steady footage even when flying in moderately windy conditions, helping users achieve cinematic results with minimal effort. The drone features intelligent flight modes that simplify complex aerial movements, allowing users to create professional-looking tracking shots, dynamic flyovers, and creative camera movements with just a few taps. Advanced positioning systems contribute to precise hovering and reliable navigation, enhancing both safety and flight accuracy. The long-lasting battery supports extended flight sessions, giving pilots more time to explore and capture content without frequent interruptions. Its enhanced transmission technology provides a stable connection and responsive control experience, ensuring smooth operation over considerable distances while maintaining a clear live video feed. The foldable design makes transportation exceptionally convenient, allowing the drone to fit easily into a backpack or travel kit, making it a practical companion for trips and outdoor excursions. User-friendly controls and intelligent automation make it accessible to beginners while still offering enough performance and creative flexibility to satisfy experienced drone operators. Whether capturing breathtaking vacation footage, documenting outdoor activities, creating social media content, or simply enjoying the excitement of flight, the Potensic Atom 2 delivers an impressive balance of portability, image quality, intelligent features, and reliable performance that makes it a compelling option in the modern compact drone market. Number 3. The Antigravity A1 is an innovative compact drone designed to make aerial photography and flight experiences more accessible, intelligent, and enjoyable for both beginners and experienced users. Combining a lightweight portable design with advanced flight technology, this drone is built for creators who want high-quality aerial content without carrying bulky equipment. Its sophisticated camera system is capable of capturing detailed photos and smooth video footage, allowing users to record landscapes, travel adventures, outdoor activities, and everyday moments from unique perspectives. Equipped with intelligent stabilization technology, the Antigravity A1 helps maintain steady and cinematic footage even when conditions become less than ideal, ensuring a polished and professional look. Advanced autonomous flight features simplify operation by enabling automated tracking, smart follow modes, and creative flight patterns that help users produce dynamic content with minimal piloting effort. The drone's responsive control system and reliable positioning technology contribute to stable hovering and precise maneuverability, making it easier to capture accurate shots and navigate complex environments. Extended flight endurance allows users to spend more time exploring and filming while reducing the need for frequent battery changes. Its compact and travel-friendly construction makes it easy to carry in a backpack or small gear bag, making it an excellent companion for vacations, hiking trips, and outdoor adventures. Number 2. The DJI Neo 2 is a next-generation compact drone designed to deliver an effortless flying experience while maintaining the kind of imaging performance and intelligent features typically found in more advanced aerial platforms. Built with portability and simplicity at its core, It caters to both beginners who want an easy entry into drone photography and experienced creators looking for a lightweight secondary drone for travel and quick captures. Its upgraded camera system is engineered to produce crisp, high-resolution images and smooth cinematic video, capturing rich detail, balanced exposure, and natural color tones across a wide range of lighting conditions. The improved sensor performance enhances low-light shooting, allowing users to film sunsets, night scenes, and indoor environments with greater clarity and reduced noise. Stability is a key strength of the DJI Neo 2, with an advanced gimbal and electronic stabilization system working together to ensure fluid, shake-free footage even during fast movement or windy conditions. Intelligent flight modes further elevate the experience by automating complex aerial maneuvers such as subject tracking, orbit shots, and smooth waypoint navigation, making it easier for users to achieve professional-looking results without manual piloting expertise. The drone also integrates enhanced obstacle detection and safety assistance systems that help prevent collisions and improve confidence during flight in tighter or more complex environments. With extended battery optimization, the DJI Neo 2 supports longer flight sessions, giving creators more time to explore angles and capture footage without frequent interruptions. Its refined transmission technology ensures a stable and responsive connection, maintaining clear live video feedback even at extended ranges. Number 1. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship-grade aerial imaging drone engineered for creators who demand maximum detail, long-range stability, and professional cinematic control in a portable folding design. Positioned at the high end of consumer and prosumer drones, it represents a major leap in imaging performance, flight intelligence, and overall system reliability. Built by DJI, it focuses heavily on next-level camera capability, typically combining a large sensor system with advanced multi-lens or multifocal imaging architecture that allows users to switch perspectives seamlessly between wide landscape shots, medium framing, and telephoto detail capture. This flexibility makes it ideal for filmmaking, commercial shoots, travel cinematography, and high-end content production where visual variety matters as much as clarity. The stabilization system is engineered to deliver ultra-smooth footage even in challenging wind conditions, ensuring that cinematic motion remains fluid and controlled without jitter or distortion. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances flight safety by detecting and avoiding objects in complex environments, which is especially valuable when flying in forests, urban areas, or tight architectural spaces. The Mavic 4 Pro also benefits from upgraded transmission technology, enabling strong, low-latency video feed over extended distances, giving pilots precise real-time control and confidence during long-range flights. Intelligent flight modes further expand creative possibilities, offering automated subject tracking, dynamic orbiting, hyperlapse creation, and waypoint-based cinematic routing that allows complex shots to be executed with minimal manual input. Extended battery efficiency supports longer aerial sessions, reducing interruptions during professional shoots. Combined with its foldable, travel-ready body, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro manages to balance portability with top-tier performance. Overall, it stands as a powerful aerial filmmaking platform built for users who want uncompromising image quality, intelligent automation, and reliable long-range performance in a compact and highly refined drone system.